It's a 2014 Honda Civic sedan. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth hands-free link, manual tilting steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and Honda Link. Edmunds.com finds the Honda Civic has long been one of the better driving cars in its class, and this tradition continues with the latest version's precise, well-weighted steering and confident handling. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.